A self-cleaning oven uses very high temperatures, much higher than cooking temperatures, to burn away soil, leaving powdered ash that can be wiped away with a damp cloth. Prepare the oven for self-cleaning by making sure the clock is set for the correct time of day. Remove the broiler pan insert, and all cooking utensils. Next, remove the oven racks and oven rack sliders. With the rack in the closed position, grasp both the rack and the sliders. Next, slightly lift the rack and sliders, then pull them clear of the first bracket. Next, pull the rack and sliders until they are stopped by the second bracket. Now lift the rack and sliders. Carefully remove them from the oven and set them aside. Once the oven racks and oven rack sliders are removed, unsnap the oven rack supports and set them aside. If the oven racks and oven rack supports are not removed, the message "Remove Racks" is displayed and the self-cleaning cycle cannot be activated. With hot soapy water and a cloth, clean the oven of spilled foods. Foods containing sugars such as pie filling or fruit juice, and foods containing acid such as tomatoes and sauerkraut may leave dull spots if not removed before the self-cleaning operation. With hot soapy water, clean soil from the oven frame and the door liner. However, do not clean the oven door gasket. Rubbing the oven door gasket or applying cleaning products could damage the gasket. Never use commercial oven cleaners. Never apply oven protective coatings in and around any part of the self-cleaning oven. Close the oven door. Awaken the Wave Touch control panel by touching the panel to the left of the clock. Next, select Clean. There are 3 cleaning options. Select Light for a 2-hour self-cleaning cycle. Medium provides for 3 hours of self-cleaning. Heavy is a 4-hour self-cleaning cycle. In this example, the 2-hour light self-cleaning is selected. Now touch Start. The door lock icon flashes, indicating the motor-driven door lock is activated. After about 15 seconds, the door is locked. The door lock icon stops flashing and remains on throughout the cleaning cycle. By using the End Time option, the self-clean cycle can be set to complete the cleaning at a specific time of day. End time is useful if the oven is to be cleaned late at night to be ready for use the following morning. To do this, select Cook Options. Then select End Time. Now enter the time of day the self-clean cycle should end. In this example, the 2-hour self-clean cycle is to end at 3 o'clock. Enter 3:00. Touch Start. During the self-clean cycle, the oven's door can become very hot. Do not leave young children unattended near the oven. Touching the door can cause burns. At the end of the self-clean cycle, the display indicates the interior of the oven is very hot, and the door remains locked until the oven is at a normal baking temperature. Once the oven reaches baking temperature, the hot message disappears and the oven door unlocks. Use caution when opening the oven door to allow hot air or steam to escape. If it becomes necessary to stop the self-clean cycle, touch Cancel.